A man identified as Omar Anderson was shot and killed by criminal elements on Wednesday morning. Anderson, who was known for regularly sharing his opinions and personal stories with his followers on TikTok. Anderson was reportedly attacked while riding his purple missile motorcycle along Middle Road in St. James.
My people, Omar Anderson again. You see me I say, you don't know. I hate, you know. All them are go on, you know, them see ambition, you know. You see ambition, youth and youth are the key. No one stop you in a life. You stop yourself. Remember, me tell you that. No care what a man or a woman want to do, remember, say, you have the power. You are the master of your destiny. You decide what you want. You see ambition, nobody can stop it. Nobody cannot stop ambition. Yeah? Yeah. So ambition, a key man and man. Hear that? Ambition, the thing there. Love God, love yourself, love your family them, and love everybody and everything that exists in the world. And you will make it. I have no more words.